What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Brothers Barn. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the surface cleaner. So if you guys haven't seen our other video where we was working on cleaning pavers, surface cleaner started acting up, so we're going to replace that swivel. So I'm going to kind of show you what's going on with it and how to fix it. So let's get started. Okay, so got the 20-inch BE wheel away. What's going on here? This, see right there, that's already, that should be free spinning, and it sticks. So we're going to replace this swivel right here. So I'm going to put the camera on the tripod and start taking this apart and show you step by step. Okay, first we're going to disconnect the pressure line. So I'm going to use adjustable wrenches. And one on the swivel, one on that line. Drop your tools. Okay, get that off, so that's free. Okay, now we're going to flip it over and we're going to take the bar off if it doesn't fall. So again, get your adjustables. Those on there. It's going to be a little tight, so you don't want to pull on these because you can end up bending this bar, then you'll be replacing the bar, so just be careful. Get that baby off. Flip it back over. So we're going to take this Allen key right there off. I believe this is metric, so I'm going to try a 6. See if that'll. Yep. If I can get it in the hole. Sometimes that happens. Just gotta get it loose. You don't have to completely take it off, but guys move so you can see what I'm doing here. So now let's take it out. So see, this doesn't spin very well. So that means bearings or something's all gumped up in here. So we got a new one. This is the new one. Look how easy that spins. So you can kind of see the old one. See, I can't. Cat, would you stop? See, I can't really spin that very freely. And this is the new one. Look how easy that goes. So that's what we want. Now, you can replace all the kits inside here and everything. But since we went ahead and bought the whole assembly, we're just going to replace this. But yes, you can. Cat, stop. You can take clips off, pull this out, replace some O-rings, bearings. You can do all that. So we may do that later, but we got so many jobs lined up that I didn't want to sit around with that, mess with that. I just wanted to go ahead and get it fixed, and then I'll mess with that maybe when we got a little more time. So, all right, so now we're going to just kind of go push that baby back in. And so the trick is to have this kind of flush. And we're going to come over here and tighten that Allen head up. So we're going to tighten that Allen head back up. Make sure it's nice, good, and tight. So it's not going nowhere. We'll look at the other side. All right, see it's in there. So now let's go ahead and put the bar back on. I'm going to use those bolts for my advantage. One less thing I got to hold. Make sure that baby's nice and tight. So. Yeah, look at that. Nice, easy spin. That's what we like to see. All right, so next we got to get some tape. We're going to re-tape this. So I'm going to take this all off, get it cleaned up. I'll use this small flathead to help get some of that groove stuff. There we go. Alright, so got all that cleaned up. I'm gonna go get some tape. Alright, so this is tape we like to use. It seems to hold up pretty well, so I'm gonna say if you guys need to or have to, but in case you guys are wondering what tape we use, it's been the best for us anyways. So okay, so get it started by hand. I'm gonna grab our adjustables. Get it nice and tight. So, not too bad. Only got one little injury. I'm not even sure how it happened. Maybe you guys can leave it in the comments to where I busted my knuckle. But it's that easy. Now we can be back in action like we should be. So, I hope that video helped you guys. If you're looking to get your surface cleaner working again without having to buy a brand new one, I think a new one of these is almost $600-700 now. So, bought that part for about I think it was 150, 200 bucks. I'll put the link below. I believe you can also get, like I said, these replacement kits. I haven't done a lot of research on it, but I will, because I'll probably want to fix this if I can for a lot cheaper. So once I figure that out, I will put a video together of that, replacing that, fixing that, and hopefully we can fix that for 50 bucks or maybe even 75. So I don't know. If you guys know for sure, leave a link below or comments below, and I'll gladly check it out and get it put together that way. So that way I got a backup when this one goes bad. So if you guys have it, hit that subscribe button. We're trying to put more and more videos up, so you don't want to miss them. But we've been super busy, so trying to get as much done as we can and trying to give you guys informational videos. So I hope this is good, and I hope you guys like it. Give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Until next time, later everyone.